Do you know how easy it is to make entire tray of Polish Karpatka? Let's go. So, when you open the box, you've got here 2 sachets. We're gonna start with the cream first. So to make the cream, first you need 500 ml of milk. Then you're gonna pour some of the milk to the pot. You're gonna leave a bit. And then you're gonna take the sachet Karpatka creme and you're gonna add it to the milk. Now just whisk it till everything is nice and smooth. Now bring this milk to a gentle boil and now add it slowly while stirring. And there you go. Now leave it to cool. Okay, for the dough you need 250 ml of water. You're gonna add that to a pot. And then you need 125 grams of butter. And then add it to the water and bring it to the boil. Okay, now when the water and butter is melted, I'm gonna add the sachet that says ciasto. It's like a black writing. And I'm gonna add it in. And I'm gonna stir it till I've got a dough consistency. And make sure all the lumps are removed. So just stir it for like a minute or so. And I just swapped to a spatula to make sure I just remove all the pieces and it's nice and smooth. And there you go, that's how it looks. So now let it cool and then we're gonna add the other ingredient. Okay, so now for the dough, I've got the dough which is already cooled. I'm gonna pop it into my food table, but obviously you can use mixer if you've got one. And now you're gonna keep adding 1 egg at a time, 4 or 5 eggs in total, depends on the size. So I've got quite small eggs. I'm gonna add 5, but if you've got large eggs, add 4, 1 at a time whilst mixing. Okay, so there you go. Now you've got the dough, which is like a sticky, gloopy consistency. You're gonna separate the dough into 2 identical trays. Mine's are 9 by 13. Obviously, you can use a little bit smaller. So the choux pastry is gonna like puff up more. It's gonna be higher. I've got this one's identical, so I'm gonna use these. So you're gonna take the dough, spread it evenly across these 2 trays. And there you go. Now in the oven, preheat it to 210 for 25 minutes till they're like nice and puffy and golden. Okay, so now as the cake is busy baking, I've got here the cream. It's cooled now. And I'm gonna keep adding butter. Now I've got here 200 grams of softened butter and I'm gonna be mixing it whilst adding little by little. So I've added a quarter of that butter and now I'm gonna mix it. So now again, add more butter. And there you go, the cream is done. Choux pastry is done, nicely puffed up. I'm gonna let it cool. The cakes are cooled, so I'm gonna plop one of those cakes on the bottom of the tray. Now you're gonna spread everywhere evenly the cream. Like so, and now you're going to plop on top another one of those puff pastries, choux pastries. And now a little bit of icing sugar. And there you go, an entire tray of Polish Karpatka. There you go.